Welcome to Pill Talk with the Mattress King. I have a Thanksgiving and Black Friday special edition for you guys. I'm going to go over our Black Friday and Thanksgiving doorbusters, an exclusive video just for our Facebook viewers. This is our Thanksgiving night special right here. I'm giving this mattress away at $3.99 plus a free adjustable base. I don't know if you guys know what a free adjustable base is, but head comes up, watch some TV, maybe read a book before bed, put it down to flat when you go to sleep. Then, if you come down here, on Black Friday, I'm giving this 10-inch gel memory foam mattress for only $50 more for $449. Also free adjustable base. So you get the head up, same features as the first one, same adjustable base, except you're getting a 10-inch gel memory foam mattress. That's on Black Friday. And lastly, if you guys walk down here with me, I have the Sealy Evident. This is a special buy from Sealy. I bought 3 truckloads of this. $5.99 in a queen, $7.99 in a king. We have this going on all weekend, guaranteed in stock. If you have a guest coming in, this is the perfect bed for the guest room. And Facebook exclusive, 2 free pillows with anything that I just told you. You have to mention Facebook when you walk into our store, and we'll get you 2 free pillows with any of those doorbusters. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys next time.